Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your ZTplus Smartwatch to your phone and set the time, date and wallpaper. The first step is to turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and to make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch and download the application from your application store. If your watch is using any other application like Fit Pro, Refine, DaFit or ZTfit, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter some details like a username and your date of birth to access the application. Once connected, the time and calendar will update automatically on the watch. Now follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.